Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to see you here today. Today I am doing a look with a couple of Colourpop items, cookie cluster and statement piece, because I'm really feeling the warm summer vibes today. And I want to ask you to please like, comment, subscribe, and comment and subscribe and ring the bell. Easy for me to say. I really appreciate it. We are on the way to 1,500 subscribers, which is a big deal, and I'm so excited that you are part of it. So what good is this without some magic swatches? Bam! That's right, magic swatches. This is the palette, the statement piece palette, and this is the highlighter palette. Look at that highlighter. It's a little dark for me, but it's a Super Shock formula, and it feels so cool and delicious to the touch. And these are the brushes, and we are going to do a themed look today. Orange or coral, whatever you want to think about it. Calling it, so that is cool with me. So let's start with the blush. I'm going to start with this blush here in the corner, which is called Oh Ginger Snap. Because I don't want to go too bright with the cheeks because I'm going pretty bright with the eyes. And it picked up really nicely. Ooh, very pigmented. Ooh, hello, nurse. You remember that from the Animaniacs? Hello, nurse. It's very vibrant, very cheerful. I'm definitely going to be using my Duo fiber brush and blending this out. But that looks, it makes a really nice cheek color. And then we're gonna do a look with the eyeshadow palette. I may have to dig into the Super Shock formula here to help out this eye palette because it's pretty bright. It's pretty bright. But I don't mind. I don't mind some color. And before we go there, I'm going to set my face. With some, one of my favorites is All Nighter, and this is a couple years old. But it's a summer solstice scent, which is delightful, and I bought a bunch of it. And it's not like All Nighter goes bad, because it lasts at least all night long. Ooh, I don't even know what I'm going to do for a lip with all this bright color. Because I really don't have any peachy kind of lips. I'm going to have to do something nude, I'm sure. But let's get in here. Let's tear it up. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started in here. In here. Here. Oh, I miss the freaking early 2000s. I'm going to start in the crease with Blair. Very pigmented. I'm going to pick a little bit more up. I did blow it off. Did I now? Because I don't want to go too ham on it. I am probably going to have to reach for another palette, or at least that highlighter, to make something that I can live with. You know, I'm not afraid of color, but I've been doing some kind of more demure looks lately. It just seems like it's been a minute since I blew it up party style. It's very bright. It's so bright. I gotta wear shades. Talking the 80s now. But that looks pretty. Let me blend it out just a little more. It's very pretty. And then I want to go in with Love Lock here. This really pretty shimmer in the middle. Will you meet me in the middle? Will you meet me in will you love me just a little? Just enough to show you care. Something like that. Oh, wow. That is a beautiful shimmer. And that brightens it up. I'm going to try going on the lid with diamond cut here. See how that does. Oh, that's nice and bright. That does what I was hoping it would do. We may be able to just get away with this palette after all. That's so pretty. It's a very sherbet kind of groove. Oh, I think I'm gonna maybe go back into Blair and blend a little bit more out. And I think this might be the look, because I don't think I need to go here. I really don't think I need to go for the pure orange. I am meeting a friend who's in town for coffee. And if you've ever come to my live streams, it's my friend Chris from Washington State. So that's exciting. It's a beautiful day for a coffee date. And I think that this looks really pretty. Maybe I am going to do a little bit darker. Maybe I'm going to go into I think it says hoops. It's got a little fleur-de-lis impression there. This is deeper. It's kind of flaming hot Cheeto color. But it's really kind of punching it up just a little bit. Flaming hot Cheeto on my eyes. Oh my Lord, but that's pretty. That's pretty. Let's do some liner and mascara and I will be right back. Voila, the eyes are done and I think they look amazing. And for the lip, I am going to go warm and neutral. It's so hard to choose. I've got so many great colors. Is this too pink? That's too pink. Oh, I think this might work. Yes, it will work. And this is Gerard Cosmetics. It's matte, Hydra Matte in Bare It All. And it's a beautiful nude color. And it looks perfect with this. And I hope you have enjoyed this. This has been a lot of fun with the cookie with cluster and the statement piece. And I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon.